had this project in mind 6 months ago, working hours and hours behind the screen, trying to make this video come to life, having doubts and fears and having problems during the journey. Now I can say it's ready. I am ready to show it to you and to the world. This is my senior trip.
Sir?
I am going to be such a super.
Welcome back to the vlog, you know.
Friday morning. My friends and I, we were ready to take our first flight for 12 hours straight from Chicago airport to Turkey, where we were going to explore different places, cultures and countries to get to our final destination, Greece. Greece, home of the gyros, french fries and cats. With our mission in mind and visiting 4 places, Nephilia, Monovasia, Corinth, and Athens, we were ready to explore this country with having none experience at all and having nothing to lose, being excited to watch things that we haven't seen before, and being ready to make fun memories with your best friends. Only 5 guys with only 7 days.
Where are we?
We're in Athens. I think we're in Athens.
But as soon as we landed, we went through our first complication. When we were waiting to get our luggage, we realized that some of our luggage was missing. So we wait, and wait more, till we wait 3 hours at the end.
What do you have to say?
Basically,
all the teachers lost their luggage.
Yeah,
so
and it can only get better from here.
And then we've been at the airport for 6 hours, so that's good. We haven't left the airport parking lot yet, and we're in day 2 of our trip.
The adults' luggage is in Georgia. At least we got air conditioning, but we have no navigation.
So we're using a map.
So we're using an actual map.
Paper map.
Taco. So right now, we're trying to get all the way to the top to catch up the sunset. I know we're gonna make on time, but we'll see. Look how it goes. Right there.
After watching the beautiful sunset on Monovasia, we decided to stop at Corrin to try their food and walk around to see all the ruins and museums they had there.
Good.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself?
After exploring Corrin and having only 3 days left, we decided to go back where everything started. We decided to go back to Athens.
It's only fire, it's only love. It's only slaughter, we're only liars. It's only blood. There are only thoughts that are nothing sort stay within my heart. You're only crying, you're only lying, you're only dead. Only water, it's only fire, it's only love. Only water, it's only fire, it's only love. Only water, it's only fire, it's only love.
Is it broken?
I don't know, dude. Oh, dude, I don't know,
Or are you serious? Well, there goes all the drone shots.
dude. Oh, let's go.